Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your business profile on Justdial. The first thing I want you to do is actually log into your Justdial account, and then you just come to the top right, you click on your profile icon, and then from here you'll get this menu. I want you to click here on help, and once you click on help you'll get different options. What I want you to do is come here and click on profile deactivation. Click on this, and then I want you to toggle in this checkbox and then click here delete account, and it will be permanently deleted within 2 business days. Cannot be undone, by the way. So if you are sure, click here on delete account and then acknowledge this right here. Click on confirm, and then they'll send you a one-time passcode to your phone number. Enter that code right here, hit continue, and within 2 business days it'll be completely deleted. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.